wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best 15-year-old boy gifts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Thames and Cosmos Chem C3000 is an all-in-one chemistry kit with over 300 experiments that'll get your young teen interested in lab work while they have fun at the same time. Its 192-page full-color manual is written at an advanced level meant to challenge. It includes over 100 scientific tools and helps kids to prepare for science classes. However, it is pricey for its contents. At number 9, the Lightning Reaction Reloaded is a shocking game. Literally, that will have your son and his friends laughing, crying and screaming while providing hours of fun. The last person to press their trigger after the light turns green gets a surprising zap. It increases reflex speed and offers variable shock levels, but it can create a lot of anxiety. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the canakit Raspberry Pi 3 is a complete microcomputer that teaches teens the basics of computing and electronics while challenging them to create unique programs. It's a great way to promote their interest in IT and prepare them to enter the field when they grow up. It includes an HDMI cable and heat sinks, along with an SD card preloaded with noobs. However, it does require some technical knowledge. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 15-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the U818A quadcopter is an ideal introduction to drone piloting. It's low cost yet durable enough to stand up to a few crashes and boasts 6-axis gyro control, 4 safety protected propellers, and the ability to snap photos and videos at the click of a button. It can also flip 360 degrees and offers a flight time of about 15 minutes, but its videos are only 720p. Moving up our list to number 6. Teenagers love listening to their tunes, and most parents hate having to hear that same music, so the Beats Solo 3 are a win-win. They boast up to 40 hours of battery life, so they only need to be charged occasionally, even with heavy use. These include a carrying case and come in a variety of colors. However, their comfort is hit or miss for each user. Halfway up our list at number 5. The PlayStation 4 Slim was the world's best-selling console for several years, and for good reasons. The graphics are amazing, it offers a seamless online gaming experience, and it has a huge library of games to choose from. Special editions are available, and it includes a wireless controller. It supports streaming apps too. At number 4, every young man deserves a first fine watch, and the Hamilton Khaki Field Mechanical would be a wise selection. Its military-spec design should suit just about any guy's style, and its nylon strap and 50 meters of water resistance can go with him into the pool. It's equipped with 12 and 24-hour time markings and a PVD-coated stainless steel case. It's a good size for most wrists. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you give your son the Microsoft Surface Pro 6, not only will he think you're the coolest parent around, but he'll also have a great tool to help with his schoolwork too. Of course, you may have to remind him that it isn't just for gaming. It offers a reliable all-day battery life and weighs under 2 pounds. It's equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 15-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, every teenager dreams of being a rock star at some point in their lives, and you can indulge their fantasies with the Epiphone Les Paul Starter Pack. It's a fine instrument with a number of great accessories for a very reasonable price. It's available in 6 colors, and the mini amp won't drive parents nuts. It comes with nice sounding single coil pickups. And taking the top spot on our list, the GoPro Hero 8 is built to withstand your teen's most extreme adventures, from surfing to snowboarding. It features excellent 4K image quality, and with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it can connect to nearly all of his other devices. It's capable of live streaming and offers lots of mounting options, along with a color touchscreen display. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for 15-year-old boy gifts, or simply click beneath this video.